friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Payment Settings. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Payment from the list of options. This will take you to your payment methods. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Payment Settings, look for the option labeled Billing Information or Edit Billing Info. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your details. Here, you can add or edit your credit card information, billing address, or any other relevant details. Make sure to double check for typos, especially in your card number. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message if it was successful. Updating your billing information is a straightforward process, and keeping it current ensures a smooth ride experience. If you run into any issues, just double check the card details you entered. Happy riding!